Life is about making memories, and I was pleased that I was able to record this for John. So, what do you make of this then, John?
Well, I don't know really.
What better than flying with your son in the back seat of the only two-seat Hurricane anywhere in the world?
You don't just go out. I don't know how to explain it, but
It's going to be pretty good, isn't it?
It seems to be everything, isn't it?
Yeah, he wants to do that, and yeah. So you're going to get booted and suited now, aren't you?
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Because I've got the light, right?
Yeah, we just don't want everyone to come in here.
Is that right?
Yeah.
It's alright, it doesn't have to be too heavy, it's just as long as you can, it covers your ears up there.
Yeah.
Alright, and that's what it'll be like. Alright?
Yeah, it's fine.
And then you can stick your glasses on, can't you?
Alright.
Do you want
Feeling suitably suited and booted now then? Yeah, that's good. Good fit.
That's it, nice.
Oh, yeah.
That's it. Okay, mate. Good. Let's plop that through there, like so. So if at any point you're unhappy, you just shout.
Yeah.
Or you signal to me thumbs down up in the mirror and I'll see you, okay?
Yeah, that should be
If
alright.
you can't hear me or we lose
That's
contact for
alright,
whatever
I would
reason.
have thought.
Alright, so
Yep.
I'm just going to bring the hat back. You want to hold on to anything?
Yeah.
There, your grips, alright, mate?
Yeah, on there.
Yeah.
Let's
I'm going to bring that down, and this is the door I was talking about. So they open the door,
Yeah,
you
just
literally
let
do that,
if
but that's
it's
in an
something
emergency.
you just
Good man, that's it, you've got it. I'll get rid of the camera.
Alright.
Right, that's locked. Right, I'm going to go around the other side now. I've got to get rid of this first, actually.
Alright.
You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, he says. Bloody right, yeah, old man.
We've got up there. Isn't it?
That's it. Oh, hang on.
That's it.
There you go. Let that go over your shoulder like that.
Okay.
Alright,
Yeah, that's better.
okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Right, I'm going to now bring this back.
That's it. Yeah. Everybody's looking at you because you're the...
Yeah, they're looking at you, mate, not me. Let's get that in there. I'm going to get myself in and organised, Dad, alright?
Yeah, I can't hear you, but...
That's okay, you won't for a minute.
Yeah, it's fine.
You alright, Dad?
Yep.
Right, once his engine's started, I'll put the intercom back on, okay?
Okay. Just about here.
Okay, ready? Clear prop.
mate?
Hey. She's over there looking for me. That's her.
Right, you stay there for a minute and I'm going to get you
Oh,
out,
right.
okay?
Hang on. Pardon, what you say?
You stay there for a minute and I'll get you out, okay?
Yeah, it's soaking wet.
Huh?
It's soaking wet
Yeah,
because
just
my
keep
head.
hold of everything for a minute, Dad, alright?
Yeah, your head, where's your.
You just stay where you are for a minute. I'm going to get myself out.
Yeah.
Hello. You alright?
Thank you very much. I enjoyed that. Really good.
If you stay there a minute, right?
Yeah.
I'm just going to go and get the other bits and bobs and I'll get you out, okay?
Alright.
So I need to get the step over, alright?
Okay, yeah.
Hold on to everything because I don't want it dropping out the airplane.
Yeah.
30 seconds, mate.
Alright. Okie dokie. Get out.
Come on, let's go and get some pictures happening. I've got to get your GoPro out as well.
Okay. How did that go?
Huh?
How did that go? Good for you.
That's great. Really good. Well done, mate. Right, should we go and get some pictures by it?
Yeah. Us been to bed in the.
No, that's a good one. I do that as a couple of stills.
There you go. You got half an hour in your book in a hurricane now. Make sure that goes in your logbook.
Matt posted a couple of shots from a special day, taking Dad flying in a Hurricane. The aircraft has been a favourite of his since I can remember as a kid. It really felt like completing the circle, more so since he's no longer able to fly by himself. My flying adventures started by sitting on his lap 44 years ago. 200 plus types later, he finally gets the one he always wanted.